Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air frying products to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment on which product you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The Gotham steel air fryer tray is priced at $29, while the air fryer is priced at $79. This means that the Gotham steel air fryer tray is more affordable than the air fryer. The air fryer is equipped with 1550W high power and 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology, which allows it to cook food quickly and efficiently. It can prepare a meal with up to 85% less oil in just a few minutes, while the Gotham steel air fryer tray relies on convection heat in your oven, which may take a bit longer to cook your food evenly. The air fryer has 9 preset modes and allows you to adjust time and temperature for customizing everything to fit your air-fried recipes. The Gotham steel air fryer tray has a raised basket that allows convection heat to reach every angle of your food and gives you the perfect crisp without all the calories. Both products are dishwasher-safe and have nonstick surfaces, making for easy and hassle-free cleanup. However, the air fryer has a removable non-stick basket with food-graded material, while the Gotham steel air fryer tray is not as easy to remove from the oven and wash. The Gotham steel air fryer tray comes with a 10-year limited warranty, while the air fryer comes with a 24-month warranty and lifetime customer service. And there you have it. We hope this comparison between the Gotham steel air fryer tray and the air fryer has helped you make an informed decision on which product is best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.